Girl, the band is very thin. It's not as thick as a mix band. It's supposed to be full mix. They're not mixed, they're full mix, but they're not as thin as a Ardell band would be. So I'm gonna cut the edges, because if you don't cut this thing, they're gonna poke you and you're gonna hurt. Let me size them. I have big eyes, so they should fit. I'm just gonna size them real quick. Yep, they'll fit. One thing I like to do on my eye, I like to do a black liner and smoke it out like a smudge black liner. Okay, now that I did that, I'm gonna put my lash glue right on my lash line, because it will be way easier to pop on your lashes, because the glue is exactly where it's supposed to be, so the lash will go exactly where it's supposed to go. So you can see your lash. And the way to work glue is, once it dries, once it gets tacky enough, instead of being white, you'll see it clear. In the meantime, I usually cut my lashes. I already did this one. Girl, you see me? You see how it jet really clear once it's dry? Oh my god. Lashes. Sexy. No lashes. Oh.